Hey everybody, welcome back to the Tech, Gaming, and AI News Nerdcap of the Week. This week we have some Xbox price hikes, surprise, surprise, and a free cloud gaming tier from Xbox. Wonder what the fine print says there. Black Ops 7 has cheaters. Who would have thought? We have a chess tournament for 200k against AI. And then finally we have a Lego Game Boy. Stay with me, guys. People of the internet, wait, this is epic. This is Future That Nerdy 8 talking to Past That Nerdy 8 talking to Future You. I just want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Rube.App. If you haven't actually heard of it, Rube is basically a secret ChatGPT feature that nobody is talking about. It's an MCP server that lets ChatGPT and other tools connect with over 1,000 apps like Discord, Notion, Google Calendar, your email, and even dev tools like VS Code. Setup actually only takes under a minute. It's actually really easy. And suddenly your AI isn't just answering your questions, it's running parts of your life and making your wife happy. On the productivity side, people are using Rube to triage email, schedule events, and manage projects in Notion, and even research social media, all without leaving the app. It's like turning your AI into a true digital assistant. I actually use this to research a lot of the things that I do for the tech, gaming, and AI news, and it really streamlines my process and helps me get things done as efficiently as possible. Now, if you're a gamer like me, here's where it gets fun for us. You can actually manage Discord servers and send automated announcements, grab member lists, or even message your guild before a raid. This is actually super useful and something that I use for my Discord when I'm going live to send, people messages. Hey, that Nerdy 8 went live, come hang out. Or hey, like our raid is starting, whatever announcement you want to send. Hey, it's my birthday, send me money. You know what I'm saying? Or hey, wife, I'm hungry, give me food. You can do that with this tool. You can also schedule gaming nights or tournaments with Google Calendar, and Rube will actually auto invite your team and send reminders to them in Discord. We have those friends you have to remind 10 times. So you can set up the automations and announcements and messages to go to them 10 times versus your other friends a couple of times, just so that they don't miss out this time. Something else that's also really cool about this app is you can actually track your matches in Notion. You can log the results, you can track the stats, you can share strategies, or even manage full tournament brackets, which is something I definitely don't want to do. And I know you don't want to be writing it down as you go either. So this is the tool that can do that for you. Now picture this. I am Future That Nerdy 8 talking to Past That Nerdy 8 talking to Future You. So I've already experienced this, but Rube can schedule your weekly raid, ping everyone on Discord, log the results in Notion, and even remind everybody 30 minutes before the next tournament. So no one will miss out or no one's late. You're not waiting for them. But you can do this all running in the background while you play. One of the biggest benefits to this app is it's actually free to use. So if you want to level up both your work and your play, check the link in the description below. I've actually been trying it out and it really does make content creation, gaming, and life a lot smoother. And my wife is also a lot happier. Happy wife, happy life, right? Thanks again to Rube for sponsoring. Now let's get back to the video. Marty, we gotta get back to the future. Marty, help me. You don't get that reference, then you're a loser. Microsoft is raising prices across Xbox Game Pass tiers while introducing new subscription options. The service now includes Game Pass Premium, Essentials, and Ultimate, each with different price points and benefits, some of which those benefits you'll never even notice. Game Pass Premium replaces the old console plan, offering access to new releases but at a higher monthly cost. Essentials acts as a cheaper entry tier with a smaller library and no day one titles, while Ultimate bundles everything together, including PC access and cloud streaming. Microsoft says the changes are designed to add more value that you'll never see as the service grows, but many players see the shift as a way to offset rising development costs. This is basically just following increases in 2023 and 2024, marking another adjustment to one of gaming's most popular subscription models. Microsoft is reportedly preparing a free ad-supported version of Xbox Cloud Gaming, which is confusing because they're raising prices on their memberships. So make it make sense, right? What's the fine print? The service essentially is going to let players stream certain Xbox titles without a paid Game Pass subscription, but users are going to need to watch ads before jumping into a session. Surprise, surprise, ads are everywhere. This new model could expand Xbox's reach to more casual players, especially in regions where console ownership is much lower. It also reflects Microsoft's broader strategy of treating Game Pass and cloud streaming as the core of its gaming ecosystem. The company hasn't officially confirmed the feature yet, but reports suggest testing is already underway with a wider rollout possible in 2026. Is this the end of the Xbox console? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Cheaters have already appeared in the Call of Duty Black Ops 7 beta, just as Activision warned they would. Players have reported running into aimbots, wall hacks, and other exploits only days into testing. Activision previously said it expected this and has Ricochet anti-cheat tools in place to monitor, detect, and ban offenders quickly. Still, the presence of cheating during the closed beta underscores the challenge of keeping Call of Duty fair at launch. Black Ops 7 is one of the year's biggest releases, and Activision is under pressure, obviously, to make it successful and to ensure its competitive multiplayer is as secure as possible when the full game launches later in 2025. Comet has announced a partnership with Perplexity around the launch of its new AI-powered web browser, Comet. The collaboration will include the upcoming Comet Open, a global online chess tournament hosted inside the browser. Perplexity says Comet is designed to blend search, AI assistant, and browsing into one single experience, and the tournament is meant to showcase how the browser can be used for interactive events. Players worldwide will be able to join directly through Comet, with chess.com providing the infrastructure and match support. This kind of shows how AI platforms are increasing their partnerships with gaming and esports communities to reach wider audiences. Let me know in the comments below, is this something that you're interested in? I've always loved chess, but let me know what your thoughts are. LEGO has announced an official Game Boy set recreating Nintendo's classic handheld in brick form. The kit includes a life-size replica Game Boy, complete with a working cartridge and buildable game cartridges. Fans will be able to assemble titles like Tetris and Super Mario Land as part of the set, celebrating one of Nintendo's most iconic systems. While it won't actually play games, the design captures the original handheld's look and nostalgia perfectly. LEGO has previously collaborated with Nintendo on sets like the NES console and Super Mario interactive kits, and the Game Boy adds another major piece of gaming history to the lineup. The set will launch later in 2025, with pricing details expected closer to its release. Let me know in the comments below, did you have a Game Boy growing up? Or am I just that old? That's all I have for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And until next time, remember to stay nerdy. Peace out, y'all.